In this session, I'll be explaining about condition operator. Condition operator is similar to if-else statement, and the only difference is we need not have to specify the target variable again and again. You can see the program before release 7.4, where if the score greater than 50, less than 60, value is good. So three times I have specified the value of the target variable. Whereas in condition, the result is same, whereas we no need to specify the variable and assign to value. Okay, so you can see it here, condition, then character 20. So when you are using condition, we need to specify the data type. If it is not implicitly identifiable, we are using inline declaration. That's why it is not implicitly identifiable. Otherwise, you could have used condition has. If the variable the left side of equal to symbol has already been declared, we could have used condition and has. With this, the number of lines of code is reduced as the assignment of target variable is done once at the end, not for every statement or every check. That's all about how we can use condition operator in place of if and end if to achieve the same functionality and reduce lines of code. Thank you.